Hi everyone, here we've got HAFURY Note 10 and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings. Now let's tap on security and location and let's scroll down to tap on advanced. Now let's scroll down again and find encryption and credentials, and as you can see at the very bottom of the list we've got clear credentials option, so let's tap on it. If you are really ready to remove all the contents, click on OK. If you've got a pattern or a PIN, enter it to confirm. And as you can see, the credential storage is erased. So that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your HAFURY Note 10. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.